What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I brought my kayak on my car, and sadly I scratched it up quite a bit right there. Oh well, it's the roof, doesn't really matter. But I'm going to be fishing the lake today. It has finally calmed down after like forever. It's been like 2 weeks where it's been windy every single day. Not a single day was calm. Today it's pretty calm. The lake is calm. Hopefully it stays like that throughout the day. It's early in the morning right now. Not super early, like 8:30, but I'm gonna try a special bait out that was kind of pricey. See if it catches fish. Try out some topwater here in a bit at first because the water's pretty calm also. But I'm excited to get back out on the lake, out on my kayak. Hopefully we can catch some fish. I'm gonna spend quite a few hours out here if it doesn't get too windy. But yeah, we'll see if we can make something happen. Get out on the lake, see if we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, folks, I've made it out on the lake. Water clarity is like 10 to 15 feet. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna be starting off with some top water. It's not too early in the morning, so I'm not gonna spend too much time with top water. I'm gonna go over a bait that seems pretty insane. I have no idea. I've never tested it out. It was kind of expensive, so I'm gonna see if we can catch some fish on that bait today. All right, so I didn't catch anything on top water, which is absolutely surprising because I was seeing so many fish bust. The main objective for today's video is to test out some baits that I picked up that were not cheap. $7 a pack. $7 a pack for these baits. Power bait Mach scent. If I catch more than 3 fish today, this bait is definitely overpowered. Mach scent, $7 for this bait. Hopefully it's worth it. When I get to fishing, conditions are right, water clarity is good, fish are up shallow, so we should catch fish either way, whether this bait is good or bad. Put it up to the test today, really see if it's actually overpowered. I'm in a kind of highly pressured area, so this is a perfect place to put it up to the test. Hopefully we can land some fish. Let's get to it. I think I had a bass chase it up first cast. I just saw a bass pass right next to me, and it was like a 3-pounder. And I got one. First fish of the day. Gone, of course. I knew that hook said it was gonna be whack. Well, first fish of the day lost. I'm gonna take my time here. I'm gonna take my time right here in this area. I know there's fish here. I know they like to hang out here. And I always kind of just go by it, catch one fish. Because the fish that I do catch here are decent size. They're not bad. And I've seen like 5-pounders right here in this area. I want to fish kind of slow. Oh, that's a fish. Got one. That is a nice one. He came off. He freaking came off. No. That was a giant. That was a freaking giant. That was possibly bigger than 4. I was saying how I want to take my time here because I've seen like 5-pounders. That could have been a 5-pounder. That could have been a 4-pounder. That was definitely a nice fish. Definitely a big fish. Just the way he bit. Is that him again? Got one. I don't think it's the same one, but no, it's not the same one. It's another fish. Get in here, buddy. Let's freaking go. First fish of the day. I will take him. Definitely not the same fish. Other fish was probably 4 times the size of this fish. I will take him though. First fish of the day, right there. Right after losing a giant. Don't know how big that fish was. Don't want to think about it. Caught our first fish. Not bad. Gonna go ahead and let him go. There he goes, back in the water. Don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. We caught our first fish. That's a plus. First fish on this bait. Not bad. Guys, I have a freaking fish on. I had a fish on forever. And my GoPro decided to bug out. So I was trying to fix it so I can get it on camera. Barely hook, buddy. Now stop. Let's freaking go. Second fish of the day. I was looking right here for like, there's a crankbait or something, and I was about to get it. Thankfully, I didn't gut hook this fish. This fish was on my line for like forever. My SD card sometimes bugs out and it just reads like error. Long story short, my GoPro bugged out, but I managed to catch the fish on camera. At least I think it's on camera. Second fish of the day right there. I didn't think I was gonna catch a fish here. I honestly did not think I was gonna catch a fish right here in this area. Bigger size than the last fish. I will take him all day long. This fish was on the end of my line for like 30 seconds at least. Like, I did not set the hook for that long. I'm glad he didn't eat it all. I'm glad I didn't gut hook him, but not a bad fish. Second fish of the day. We're making it happen even though it's getting extremely windy. We're still catching fish. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. If we land one more, this bait is just overpowered. It's crazy. So as cheesy as it may sound, I kind of believe it now. I kind of believe that power bait, it says fish bite and won't let go. I had that fish on the end of my line for about 30 seconds, maybe a little longer. I still landed him. My GoPro bugged out. I just let the line loose, let him take it, fixed my GoPro. Took me about 30 seconds and that fish was still at the end of my line. He still had the bait in his mouth. Kind of giving into this fish bite and won't let go. I mean, that just basically proved it. Now, is this bait really worth $7? Is it that much of a difference? I don't know yet. I'm not done fishing. I'm gonna continue fishing. If I catch one more fish, probably could be a little overpowered. Oh, that's another fish. Got another one. Third fish of the day right there. I am slaying them today. I think this bait has an unfair advantage. I really do think so. I mean, oh, he has a follower. He has a follower. Get in here, buddy. Third fish of the day. He had a follower somewhere. Don't know where he went. I just landed that other fish. I literally just landed that other fish. Third fish of the day right there. Not a giant, but the same size as the last one. I think this bait does have something that's different than other baits. I really do think so. I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. I still have a little bit to fish. We could run into another one. Don't know. Insane. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. The main objective for this video was to test out these baits, to see if they're overpowered or if they have an unfair advantage, and I really do think they do. I caught 3 fish today. I lost 2 other fish. One of those fish was probably bigger than a 4-pounder. It is very tough to catch big fish out here, especially these areas, highly pressured areas. Even hooking into that fish was pretty crazy, so I think these baits really do have an unfair advantage to them. They cost $7, which is ridiculously expensive. It's absurd. If you're having a rough day of fishing, these baits can definitely catch fish. So not a bad day. We caught 3 fish in total today. I'm going to go ahead and head off the water because, as you can tell, it's getting like extremely windy. It was super calm this morning, but now it's like really windy. The wind is picking up and it's making it impossible to fish. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.